How to send fake snaps on Snapchat. Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to send fake snaps in the Snapchat app. And before we start, if you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe for more tutorials like this in the future. Let's start. Open the Snapchat app on your phone, and then you want to click on the little search icon in the top left corner of the screen. Now type camera roll in the search bar. And a couple of different lenses will appear. Find the lens that says Camera Roll by Hama, and that looks like this. When you click on it, it will open your recent photos from the photo gallery, and you can select whichever you want. It works better if you are using vertical pictures instead of horizontal ones. After you select the picture, just click on this little send button, and now it will open the editor. So you can edit the photo and send it as a fake snap. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.